Well, I'm sure you saw this coming. It's the old vacuum cleaner for the removal of rust in a gas tank trick. It worked pretty good. I just dropped this in there, sucked out all the rust that was in there, and cleaned it up perfectly. Thanks to my neighbor and his super intelligence. I didn't even think of such a thing. I don't know why, but I was using a magnet trying to pull it out. But this sucked it right out. Got it done. Couple of minutes. Well, that's what it pulled out of that gas tank. A lot of rust. Yeah, I would not even think of trying that in a gas tank that has any fumes whatsoever, because it goes through the motor housing, and these vacuum cleaners have brushes in them which spark constantly as you use it. So don't try this at home. Okay, let's fire this thing up. Hopefully. That sounds smooth. I think we're getting there. Next thing, hydraulics.